Hello, my name is Carl Brooks, and we're going to be going through my imagery script for basketball free throw shooting. So first we're going to start off in a relaxed state. I'm going to ask them to close their eyes and take a couple moments to just breathe in, breathe out, relax all their muscle groups, stop thinking about everything around them, focus on the task at hand. And imagine holding the ball in the lock position, bending your legs, making sure you get a good deep bend in your knees, and following through, holding your hand high and swishing a free throw. In specific situation, imagine playing it in an away game. So close your eyes and imagine playing in an away game. You make a hard move to the basket, and the opposing player commits a foul, and you are awarded 2 free throws. The game is close. Your team is down by 1 with 10 seconds left on the clock in the fourth quarter. You begin by walking up to the free throw line in the middle of the game. You can look to your left, look to your right, see the crowd roaring, see the faces, signs, chants. They're all cheering wildly because they understand the circumstances as well as you do. These free throws may decide the balance or decide the fate of the game. Imagine your exact free throw routine up from when the referee gives you the ball until you see the ball fall through the net. You have been awarded 2 free throws. So when the referee gives you the ball, imagine seeing the rebounders take their positions. You give the referee a nod to let him know that you're ready to receive the ball. The referee throws you the ball, and now it is your time to begin your free throw routine. Once you receive the ball, take a deep breath, just as the same as in your routine, to calm your nerves. Then dribble the ball twice, bending your knees and locking the ball into shooting form with your guide hand on top and your shooting hand underneath the basketball. Make sure that you bend your knees with a good deep bend. Then once you lift up your wrist, dropping your guide hand and bringing your shooting hand up, flicking your wrist. Keep that wrist up with the follow through all the way until the ball falls through the net. This imagery should last about 15 to 20 seconds because that's normally how long it takes for somebody to go through their complete free throw routine. When you imagine shooting a free throw, one thing for certain, make sure that you keep your eyes fixated on the rim. Make sure that you keep your feet pointed to the rim. And if you have issues with aiming properly, make sure that you have your shooting hand underneath the basketball and releasing that guide hand and keeping your shooting hand up until that ball falls through the net. When you're at the line, feel all of the same emotions that you feel when you shoot a free throw in a tough game situation. If you're normally nervous in these situations, make sure that you feel all of the nerves that you would normally feel in those situations. Understanding and accepting these feelings will help you to control your adrenaline in these situations in the future. When you're shooting the free throw, make sure that you visualize it from an internal perspective through your eyes. So that way any adjustments that needs to be made can be made from your perspective as opposed to the external perspective where you would see yourself through the eyes of the crowd. Once you see yourself like this, then your free throws will dramatically improve and your form will also look better, as well as being able to control your emotions and your adrenaline during competition. And that includes breathing and controlling and regulating your breathing. So when you get up to the line, make sure that you're taking that deep breath. And that is my imagery script for basketball free throws. Thank you. Have a blessed day.